Hey guys, I'm Steven Schlesser. I was previously working a software development job that was good money that I sort of enjoyed doing, but it was kind of draining, and I was looking for a way out, a way to depend on myself and really have my own dream. And I ran across some of Kevin's videos on YouTube, and they were some of the most helpful content I personally ran across. One of the best things about the whole experience working with Kevin has been the private Facebook groups online. It's a totally different experience than the public ones. It really does feel like a family. Everybody's really motivated and striving to be successful, and it really creates a positive energy and momentum. It makes you feel like you're not alone in a process that can be really scary.
Hi, I am Liz, and I am here to talk about Kevin David, who is one of the most awesome people I've ever met. I used to be a teacher, and it was a really difficult job, and after 10 years, I pretty much had enough and was looking for a way to break from the teaching world. My husband started traveling a lot, and it just wasn't something that I could do with him on the road. Thanks to Kevin, he really touched us and really helped us in our life and changed our life, and we were able to then be together, and it has just been amazing. Kevin has not only become one of our personal friends, but has also introduced us to a lot of people in his community.
Hey guys, my name is Katie Morrow, and I am 22 years old, and today I want to tell you guys about how Kevin David has completely changed my life. So I was a struggling college student not even a year ago. I was struggling to figure out what I wanted to do in life. I knew that there had to be a different way to live my life, and I knew that there was more potential for me out there other than going to school for something I wasn't really interested in. Being introduced to this family has opened up so many opportunities for me. Before I even met Kevin David and was a part of his wonderful group, I didn't know what to do and I didn't know where to start, but Kevin really breaks everything down and is very precise and teaches you the exact skills that you need, and I cannot wait to see where I'm going to go with this family because there are no limits when it comes to these people. They are hardworking entrepreneurs who just want a better life for themselves, and Kevin honestly just wants you to have a better life yourself, so I'm telling you, you really need to check him out.
Hey, what's up guys? Chris, 28 from California. I actually met Kevin out at an event in Orlando, Florida through another friend of mine, and somehow I wound up here at NinjaCon. It's been absolutely amazing from where I've actually been, which has been in door-to-door sales, and after meeting with all these like-minded individuals, you can definitely see a brighter future and doing something different. I see something a lot bigger than what I'm currently doing right now, and I just can't wait to see where the future takes me.
What is up, my ninjas? It's Mia Shark here, coming to you all the way from NinjaCon San Diego. We are here chilling out. It's absolutely amazing. You know what the best part about all of this is? It's not just the knowledge that you're gaining, it's everybody around you, surrounding you, supporting you, bringing you that love and making you believe that you can succeed. The love that everybody is showing and the support. Any question that you have, you can reach out to anybody that's here right now and they'll give you an answer happily. They're not hiding it. They're not hiding anything from you because they think that you might be more successful than them. We're a family. We've come together and we're helping one another succeed, and I think that that is the most beautiful thing in the entire world.
What's up guys, my name is Josué Peña, and this is a quick bit of testimony for Kevin David. So for those of you that don't know me, I'm kind of like the Instagram guy, or known as the Instagram guy for a lot of top marketers. I've been with Kevin David's account, Alex Becker, etc. Right? But I'm not here to talk about me, I'm just here to talk about how Kevin has impacted my life and how his teachings, his knowledge, his experience, and more of his character as a whole, it's just like nobody can really come close to this exact level that he has. And the way Kevin treats people, even even that he doesn't gain anything from it, it's just for me, it tells a lot about the person because he really cares about each individual single soul. It's not just another paycheck. It's just not another course sale or whatever. He cares about every single person as a whole. So if you're on the fence of just working with Kevin or just learning from him, joining his mastermind, joining one of his courses, just know that you are in great hands.
Hey, what's up? My name is Matt Tran. I'm the owner of Engineered Truth, the largest career channel on YouTube. Right now I'm here at NinjaCon, hosted and created by my good friend Kevin David. Kevin actually invited everyone to his house, the whole NinjaCon, which is insane because I wouldn't invite the whole NinjaCon to my house. But again, him being Kevin, wanting to build a community, invites everybody to his house. We got Lambos, we got drinks, everyone's mingling, and I got to sit with some really high-level entrepreneurs and some people who are just starting off. But what brings us all together is that we all want to improve our lives, be online entrepreneurs, and have the freedom to do whatever we want. But what I really like the most about it is how diverse this group is. We got all ages, old, young, diversity all over the place. And I'll be honest, Kevin doesn't make any money from this event, but he does it to bring a community together. So if you ever have the opportunity to meet him or work with him, highly recommend it.
What's up guys, Ross here. I just want to say first off, I'm excited that you were watching this video because that means you know Kevin, and if you know Kevin, you know that he's changed your life. And so for me, I recently met him at an event through Josue Pena, and a few things that he's impacted in regards to where I'm at is one, my YouTube, my Instagram, and ClickFunnels. So when I first met him, I was really surprised because though he has a huge following, he's very humble. He's very down to earth, and he just seems like another guy that you would have no idea is running a huge business, and he's really invested in every single person in his program. So if you're somebody that does well with someone that actually cares about you, then you need to work with Kevin. So he's impacted those three things. I'm really excited to see where I'm gonna go here in the next few months because I know the only way with Kevin is up. So if you wanna improve and you wanna continue to get better and better, then I would highly, highly recommend his course. Stop thinking about it and take action and do it.
My name is Casey Goss from Viral Launch, and I just want to say, Kevin, you are amazing. So Kevin is a guy that will dive into the very specifics to make sure that you know exactly what you need in order to be successful. Kevin is a guy that makes sure to surround himself with the best in the industry so that he's always on top of the game and has just an amazing loyal following of people because he helps them to actually have success. This is not a guy that's just trying to sell you the latest course or the latest whatever. This is a guy that's really focused on helping you to be successful.
What's up guys? This is Kale and Taylor from KT9, and all I gotta say guys is this man Kevin David has taught us so much.
Yeah.
And if you're trying to do something, you're trying to be successful at something, you should probably emulate someone who's already been successful. And I just want to say that even as people who kind of compete with Kevin, who sell kind of the same stuff as Kevin, who do some of the same stuff, it works. We emulated success and it works, and if you can take advice from that, it's going to help you out.
Absolutely. If you're looking at Amazon FBA, Shopify, Facebook ads, ClickFunnels, any of it, Kevin David is the man.
That's
I mean,
right.
like Kel was just saying, we have a smaller YouTube channel. It's not that big of a deal, but Kevin is like, hey, I want to help you out.
Exactly.
I want to give you some advice. I want to do anything I can for you, and we just appreciate that
We do.
so much. So Kevin, thank you. If you need something, look him up.